What's good, y'all? It's Chanel B back with another video, and this is gonna be still day 3, I believe, but it's my 4th video because we putting out content for y'all. And luckily for me, my husband decided he wanted to go on a little trip, so we are going on like a one-night trip, little getaway, and I'll bring y'all along with me, so stay tuned. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. Ain't nothing like the real thing. And just like that, we're full. Okay, y'all, so we just checked in the room and we're looking up food places because we did not eat dinner. And like we literally passed by this place on the way here, and I was looking up like places that still open late, and this place doesn't close till 2. It's called Oak 36 Bar and Kitchen, and on top of that they just happen to have vegan options, so we're gonna check this place out real quick. We lied. We walked in here and they said they're actually closed, which sucks. I was excited about them having vegan options and them being like right by the hotel, but we're about to see what else we can eat. And now we're at basic ass Waffle House. No, it's not what it's not. Y'all, this is the second Waffle House that just told us they ain't taking no more orders. Y'all open, right? So why y'all not taking orders? I don't think 24/7 exists no more, but it's open. And there, I don't get it. Y'all, this is the 3rd Waffle House we about to try. Oh my God, is the lights on? No, they not. I'm scared.
We're watching motherfuckers on
Y'all see us driving off. Y'all still hear my stomach growling. So it was the same thing with this Waffle House. We just gonna starve. Go to the gas station, pick up some tomatoes. Did I say the grocery store or the gas station? I'm hungry. So after going to 3 Waffle Houses and 1 Taco Bell, we finally got something to eat at Walgreens. So I ended up just getting some vegan noodles that they luckily had. Had to get some utensils. We got some Lay's potato chips. And Eric got some frozen dinners. And we just got some drinks. And he got a honey bun. But yeah, I'm about to eat these noodles like it was nothing like my first time. Good morning, people. So as you know, I don't know if you know, but last night we drove to Savannah, Georgia, because we were just looking for a little quick getaway. But now, where are we here? North?
South.
Okay, now we're in South Carolina on our way to the beach, so we just driving. This is a vacation on the road. But yeah, we're about to head to the beach to see what that looks like. I've never been to neither of the Carolinas. I think he said South, but yeah, I hope y'all can hear me. normally they got somebody walking around with sandwiches, drinks, and this bitch don't got shit. Ooh, it's the GoPro for me. It's hot out here, but it feels good and windy, so it's like worth it.
You talking to me?
Yeah. It's like hot but windy, so it's like perfect. Oh, yeah. It's been a long time because I feel like we got in some beach water.
We didn't do it in Miami at all, huh?
Did we?
I don't think so. We went to the beach that one day looking for this.
Yeah, we didn't do nothing. That was Venice.
Huh?
That was Venice Beach.
Venice Beach.
Oh, I'm tripping. I'm thinking about LA. We talking about Miami.
Jesus.
Look at that. Okay. Y'all, I feel like we black and we back further than everybody. Where they do that at? We are castaways. Something. You better not be peeing. No, you did not. Please stop lying. Please stop lying. This water got darker.
Don't need to get a video of y'all?
You want?
Thank you so much.
No worries. Is it going the right way?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just going to hold it.
What do we do?
I don't know. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it, man. No worries.
They call me Rakisha in Houston.
You hit the spot.
Tastes like candy. Your turn.
Sweet like fruit.
You don't know what that dog. You did your thing. So y'all, this is really good. So good. Y'all know I like my strong drinks. So I ordered a long weekend. Got tequila, vodka, rum, gin, all the liquors. Yo, we finna see if this work in nasty, dirty water. I hope my camera don't get a disease. Did it work?
Did it work?
It's crazy because you feel far away. Live footage of me swimming, y'all. No help. I'm gonna crop you out.
You was drunk?
This is Chanel B reporting live from South Carolina, where we are in what they call, what kind of beach is this? It's called Hilton Island. There's a bunch of beautiful people out here taking advantage of this nice weather on this Monday day. They're loving it. We're loving it. And Steve, back to you. You good?
Steve, wake up.
Steve.
Didn't it?
Y'all, I lost my head. Like, racing Eric in the water, jumping over waves, and my head disappeared, and we cannot find it. And then we ended up way across the other side of the beach. We walked like 3 miles.
Thank you guys.
Orange something crushed. Whole time. Good to you?
What can I get for you?
May I get a Long Island?
And I'm gonna get a orange crush. Okay. There we go, guys.
Thank you.
22 out of that.
This is awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Those things tend to do the trick.
Yes.
They either light it up or they shut it down.
Are you enjoying your vacation? Yeah. It made up for last night.
Not really.
You don't think so? Why would I just say that? I don't know. I think it's the late nightness. You wanna taste it? He can't handle no real drink. Baywatch activate. You wanna shut yourself up? Hello. Y'all can add your Snapchat, yo girl _KYANAN. TikTok. Most wanted _Kiara. Okay, y'all follow her. Well, that was an amazing trip, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video as well. And have a great day, night, week, weekend, whatever it is. Love y'all. Bye.